Hey there, have you ever considered using DJ slides to overlay your footage? If not, in this short lesson we will show you how to combine shots that were captured at very different times and combine together later without noticing the edit by using the DJ slides to overlay the footage. These are two shots that were taken during the reception at very different times. Our goal is to combine these two shots and make it feel like it's one continuous shot in the most seamless way possible. Now, as you can see, the first shot has a lot of colors because it was shot while the DJ slides were on. Now, the second shot was taken at a completely different time when the DJ slides were off. No matter how much you can try to color correct the shots, in order to match them, it will not give you the result you desire. But why is this? Take a look at this first shot. The colors are constantly changing second by second, giving the appearance of a clubby vibe. On the other hand, the second shot has a steady purple color scheme, which makes the shot a bit boring and not that effective. The distinction within these two shots is very visible when they're combined together. The best way to approach this is to use some type of light leaks to give us the clubby vibe that we need in order to combine it with the previous shot. I was able to use a shot that was taken prior to the start of the party. These detailed shots come very useful when you are in need of adding more character to your shot, especially while editing party footage. The first thing I did was to darken the shot so that the purple color can be more pronounced. Then I duplicated the shot and masked out the drummer. And in between, I added the shot of the DJ's lights and changed the blend mode from normal to screen. Then I duplicate the same shot and change the position and the scale of it, and here are the results.
It feels so good. It feels so good. It feels so good.
Jamie and John.
It feels so good. It feels so good. It feels so good.
Jamie and John.
By using this overlay technique, these two very distinct shots can now be combined even though they were originally shot at different times. If you're a solo videographer who happens to shoot and edit, keep in mind how useful it can be to have shots like this.